Hello beautiful! Thanks for watching Fly Mommy Fly. Today I want to share a super fast and easy avocado pudding or mousse recipe with you. It's perfect if you're craving something sweet but still want to be healthy. First you add 2 ripe avocados into your food processor. Then add 1/4 cup cacao powder. I've linked the cacao powder down below. 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. 1/2 cup of almond milk or any other kind of milk that you want to use. 2 tablespoons of organic raw honey. You can use maple syrup as well. If you like it sweeter, feel free to add more. Then you just pulse in the food processor until smooth. And ta-da! It is ready. Scoop into containers. Add toppings of your choice. I added some coconut flakes and blueberries here, but feel free to get creative. All the recipes I'm sharing on my channel are fast, easy, and yummy, so I hope you'll subscribe so we can make more delicious dishes together. Hope you're having a beautiful day. God bless you and keep flying. For the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, gentleness, goodness, faithfulness, and self-control, right?